Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin1 in NEFX. I'm doing a very quick one-off here tonight before I go to bed. I've been thinking of basically starting a daily tradition in which I showcase at least one map a day of Internet Archives rarities. So, where we left off quite some time ago now, we were exploring all the Marathon 2 ones. And so, the last one that we explored here was a moment while it takes a bit to load up all the maps, because I mass downloaded basically all of the Marathon 2 Netmaps from the archives, and so put them all in the folder, and thus it takes a little longer to load. Yeah, this could be a daily tradition, I'm thinking. Even beyond the Summer Slaughterfest, there's no reason I can't make 3 minutes a day at least to showcase a new map. Have like a map of the day type tradition. So where we last left off was Map Torpedoes. Here we have Trench Warfare by Ballistic2 at AOL.com. So be sure to leave them a nice review, okay? In the email. I'm sure it's still up and everything. Alright, so here we go. 1 level Trench Warfare. Alright, right out of the gate. So, interesting, this looks like it's sort of a solo level that was repurposed as a net map, because it seems like many, if not all, of the spawn points are at the very beginning, the same spot. Can't seem to hit a target, but at least I got out easy and I got the shields. Let's turn the volume up a bit. Ammo seems fairly scarce. It looks like a lot of this was kind of unfinished. Like there could have been more spawn points. But then again, maybe that wasn't the intention. Maybe the idea was to have like an intense race fresh out of the gate. That's one of the more unorthodox mapping practices of yore that probably wouldn't fly as much today. I mean, I would like it and some others would too, but for the most part, I think people's tastes are pretty well set. Well set these days as far as what's appropriate and what's not appropriate for mapping. It's pretty cool though, a lot of ammunition out here. Ah, shit. All things considered, it's probably the best practice, at least towards the beginning where the rocket launcher is still there and everything, to just camp there at the spawn point and kill everyone. I can't hit anything. I don't even think that the author made the supplies respawn per se. I think you're just supposed to make do with whatever's there. What's that do? Okay, just open a door. These are pretty interesting environments, but again, it looks like just repurposed a single-player map. There's a lot of open space, a lot of dead ends. Yeah, I would not be at all surprised if they started out with a single-player map, couldn't finish it, just decided hell with it, I'll just make it a net map and call it good. That's what it feels like. Oh, I realized I forgot to turn on the Marathon 2 textures. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Wait a minute. By which I mean not the map itself, but just the situation of having finite supplies and the bots have unlimited, so I basically can't do anything other than hopefully, yeah, I got one pistol kill in. The bots are generally dumb enough that they're probably not likely to be as much of a threat at this range. Wait a minute. This door won't open. I can't get in from here. I guess it's just like a periodically opening thing. It's a timed door. But anyway. Oh, it froze again, huh? Well, anyway, that's the map for tonight. I'm going to go to bed now. I might just do another one of these in the morning. Until then, thanks for watching. See ya.